In this section, we're going to talk about organizing and setting up your storage locations. First one is your folders. And if you've taken my information and object organization course series, you have some experience with how this works, but in that course, I didn't go specifically into how to organize your learning projects. So that's what's new about this course, is that you're going to get specifically how to do your learning projects, which is different from how you do the rest of your information. So the first thing is we're going to talk about folders, both in the cloud and on your hard drive. So anything that isn't backed up into the cloud. This is generally going to be either Dropbox or Google Drive. Second thing is your OneNote or Evernote. And this is whatever software you're using to manage all your notes. And remember, the structure we're using, the system we're using, is exactly the same among all of these. So the third one is your file cabinet system. And if you want to use 3-ring binders or another thing, it's relatively easy to transfer over. But the key here is for these two is these are offline. And also we're going to talk about bookshelf. So these are your offline, these are your online or digital. That's probably better, physical. There's multiple meanings to this whole online, offline thing. So these are the 4 things you're going to learn. And you're going to learn how to use the same system to organize across all 4. And that's going to facilitate in the future moving back and forth between digital, physical, back to digital, and how to keep sane when you're organizing all this stuff across different formats in different locations. So let's get started.